I'm meteorologist Colin Rogers, and flooding is going to be a concern with Ida heading into our region. But today, temperatures, they topped off above average in the 80s and 90s. Bluefield, West Virginia came in at 85, Pineville at 91. Temperatures have cooled off into the 60s and 70s right now, especially in those areas that saw some rain and thunderstorms earlier. For instance, Marlington right now sitting at 63. They saw some showers and thunderstorms earlier today. You can see that shower thunderstorm activity, that's kind of pulled off to the east, and right now most of us are dry with just some cloud cover, and we should stay that way for the rest of the night. The same cannot be said as Ida is sitting over Louisiana right now, producing very heavy rainfall to Louisiana and Mississippi, and she'll continue to move up into our region later on this week. So you can see Ida is going to start pulling north and east towards our area. We also have this frontal system that's pulling south and east towards our area. They're going to kind of merge and produce very heavy rainfall, tropical downpours. There's going to be a lot of moisture in the air Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. So taking a closer look, tonight we are dry with temperatures in the 60s and the 70s. Tomorrow, as you're stepping out the door, we can't rule out an isolated shower possible, but most of us should stay dry with temperatures in the 60s and 70s. During the afternoon hours, that's when we see a better chance of some of these scattered showers and thunderstorms building into our region with temperatures into the 80s. And as we head into the evening hours, you can see these showers and storms stick around, and as we head into the overnight hours, they'll eventually pull off to the east, and we look to stay dry. Temperatures tomorrow will be 5 degrees above average, sitting in the low to mid 80s, right around average on Tuesday, but Wednesday and Thursday, 5 to 10 degrees below average, and that's because Ida is going to pull into our region. So Tuesday evening, you can see the outer bands are moving into our region, and then on Wednesday, some really heavy rainfall from Ida. That'll keep our temperatures cooler. She'll push off north and east. You can see a leftover shower is possible for Thursday morning, but otherwise, we should clear out. Now, Ida will produce a widespread 2 to 4 inches of rain for our area. There will be higher amounts too with those heavier thunderstorms, those bands that set up, so flooding will certainly be a concern. Tomorrow, for these scattered showers and storms, we're under a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, but then look at Tuesday. That's when Ida starts to move into our area. Tuesday night especially, we're under a slight or a 2 out of 4 risk for excessive rainfall for much of the region. That moderate risk isn't too far off to our west, so flooding will be a concern, especially creek, streams, and low-lying areas. Other areas in the Atlantic we're looking at, here's Tropical Depression 10. It's going to just kind of meander in the Atlantic. And we also have Tropical Storm Julian, max winds coming in at 60. She'll also stay off in the Atlantic. And then Ida, all eyes are on Ida, max winds coming in at 105 miles per hour. Hit Louisiana today, earlier made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. Devastating scenes out of Louisiana, and actually today is the 16th anniversary when Katrina hit Louisiana, so something about today and strong hurricanes in Louisiana. It'll move into our region weaker, but we can still have really heavy rain. Flooding will be a major concern, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado as well. We also have a high risk here off the African coast and a low risk of development off the North Carolina coast. But just to recap tonight, temperatures mild and muggy in the 60s with a stray shower possible, otherwise just some passing clouds. And looking ahead, we can see some scattered showers and thunderstorms for the day tomorrow into Tuesday. Heavy rain Tuesday night and Wednesday as Ida moves through our area. Cooler temperatures though, and we look dry. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions. Beautiful Labor Day weekend ahead. That's all for weather, but stick around. We'll take a look at sports right after this break.